The Post Office Savings Account is a deposit scheme provided by the Post Office throughout India. The account provides a fixed interest rate on the account balance. It is a beneficial scheme for individual investors who wish to earn a fixed rate of interest by investing a significant portion of their financial assets. Post Office Savings Account is also a very helpful scheme for those residing in rural parts of India. Since the nationwide reach of the post offices is much greater as compared to banks, a large number of unprivileged people have been able to get access to savings account through post offices. Hey guys, this is Simran from ClearTax and today we'll talk about the new penalty rules for non-maintenance of minimum balance in your post office savings account. But before we begin, do not forget to press the bell icon and like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. So what are we waiting for? Let's begin. If you have a savings account in the post office and you have somehow not been able to maintain the minimum balance, then this piece of information will give you the much needed respite. The government has halved the penalty for non-maintenance of minimum balance in savings account. According to a notification issued by the Finance Ministry for not maintaining the minimum balance in the post office savings account, now a penalty of Rs 50 with GST will be imposed as against the previous penalty of Rs 100. This has been done as per change in the rules of the Post Office Savings Account Scheme 2019. According to the rules, the account holder is required to maintain a minimum balance of Rs 500 in Post Office Savings Account. If the minimum balance falls below 500 rupees before the end of the financial year, then the account holder is fined. Till now, this fine was Rs 100, which has been reduced to Rs 50. Minimum balance required to be maintained in Post Office Savings Account is Rs 500. If a post office savings account holder fails to maintain Rs 500 minimum balance, then the post office will deduct Rs 50 as penalty from the SB account on the last working day of every financial year. However, if your account balance becomes zero by deducting the maintenance fees from the same, then your post office account will be closed automatically. Apart from this, if the minimum balance is not kept in the post office savings account, then interest will also not be paid. The rule of minimum balance also applies to silent accounts. Those accounts where there has been no transaction for 3 consecutive financial years, that is, neither money was deposited nor withdrawn, such accounts are called silent accounts. Other than non-maintenance of minimum balance, there are other types of penalties that are levied. A person can withdraw cash up to 4 times a month in a savings account for free. After this, a fee of 0.50% or Rs 25 of the total amount is charged on every withdrawal. This fee is only charged on withdrawals. There is no charge on depositing. In addition to the basic savings account, if you have a savings account or current account, you can withdraw up to Rs 25,000 every month without additional charges. After that, you will be charged a fee of 0.50% or a minimum of Rs 25 of the total amount withdrawn each time. If you make a cash deposit of up to Rs 10,000 in a month, then there is no charge. After the cash deposit limit, a deposit of Rs 20 is charged on every transaction. To get a mini statement, you also have to pay a minimum charge of Rs 1 and a maximum of Rs 20. Well, this was it for today's video. Let us know what you think about the video and comment below if you have any doubts. We will try to reply to it as soon as we can. Stay tuned to our channel for more informative videos like these. Till then, goodbye and take care.